Welcome to our guide on transferring your domain from Squarespace to Showit. Understanding domain transfers is crucial for managing your online presence effectively. The first step is to prepare your Squarespace domain. Make sure your domain is eligible for transfer and that you have access to your account. Next, you need to unlock your domain. Go to the domain settings in your Squarespace account and toggle the lock function off. Once your domain is unlocked, obtain your authorization code, also known as EPP code, which is essential for the transfer. Now, head over to your Showit dashboard and navigate to the domain settings to initiate the transfer process. Input the authorization code you obtained from Squarespace into the designated field in Showit to continue the process. Next, configure your domain settings in Showit to ensure everything is set up as desired before finalizing the transfer. Once the transfer process is complete, verify by checking your Showit account to ensure that your domain is now linked. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, check common troubleshooting steps like double-checking the authorization code. In conclusion, domain management is key for your online success. Following these steps ensures your domain transfer is smooth and efficient.